When Chuck texted me and said he was flipping the canoe, he meant he was flipping the canoe. I got there just in time to see them finish turning it over and exposing the bottom of this beautiful 52-foot, 11-man canoe to the sunshine for the first time.
Well, it's light enough to move around now.
It's crazy. For weeks, Chuck has been hollowing out this canoe so that it could be light enough to move like he is here.
Okay.
He's repositioning the canoe, getting it ready for its next move under the tent so that he and the wood can continue out of the glaring sun. Just 2 weeks ago, this canoe looked something like this. Since then, with his bare hands, a chainsaw, and some hand tools, Chuck has removed a single-person canoe from the inside of the 52-foot 11-man canoe, leaving him with 2 canoes out of 1 piece of wood. The next steps will be to finally hone the bottom of the canoe so that it is perfectly smooth and curved. To help with today's critical move, Chuck has called on his women's canoe puller team. The team effort begins, and Chuck's assistant and wife are also here to help. They've all come here directly from work. Apparently the skipper didn't give them time to go home and change. A small set of wheels, Chuck's leadership, and the power and dedication of his team will all be needed to make this lift successful.
Okay, well, let's test it out, see if we can roll it, okay?
With everyone in position, the first step begins, and that's pushing the bow of the canoe out towards the road as far as possible. But almost right away, the nose hits ground and everything must be adjusted. Slowly, the canoe makes its way forward, inching closer towards the road. 52-foot long canoe is not the easiest thing to move around, even with 6 people. And little by little, the canoe reaches the road, and now the effort will be focused on the stern of the canoe, which is lifted over its sister canoe, resting under cover, and is now positioned in place to be wheeled back into the tent. The canoe is now safely under cover without any major events, and here it will sit, and Chuck will begin work on planing the entire bottom and sides of the canoe and patching any areas that need repair. Stay tuned for the next episode as we see this beautiful 52-foot, 11-man canoe come to life.